You have them days where you just like wake up and you just feel crap, or something happened and you didn't get to do something you wanted to do, or whatever the situation is, to put you in a state of just feeling down, or state of having self-doubt, like not believing in yourself anymore, or just losing sight of your initial vision. And it's normally on them days that you just throw in the towel and decide that not even decide, but just throw the towel and then unconsciously you just don't make the effort anymore. And before you know it, 3 months has passed by and you're like, imagine if I'd continued, like where would I be at now? Like that's always the thing that used to get me. Like I'd stop doing something, I'm thinking to myself like a couple years or months after, imagine if I'd continued. I had one of the moments today where I was just like, I feel like I can't be asked, like I can't be asked, man, this is too long. And a testament to anyone's success is like when they have those days when they've been tested, and if they can pull through it, then 9 times out of 10 they don't regret it. And as I said, today's just one of them days where I got tested, and it's just crazy because it always comes at different stages of the journey, either at the start, the mid, or close to the end. And just don't throw in the towel, don't give in to those negative thoughts, because when you do, you're gonna say to yourself, imagine if I had continued. Now we're on the charts. Let's show you what has happened so far. So the last trade that we were in was somewhere around this region in here, going down, and I stopped the position here and I went long, this was on the Friday. Today's Monday, got stopped out that position straight away that I went long on. And yeah, that's where we're currently at. Did enter another position, I got stopped out again, but that's where we're currently at. So on the spreadsheet, this is the position I was on about. This is the one I closed on Friday. This one that says Wednesday right here, closed this one on Friday. If I'd held this position until Monday, it would have been like double what it is now. But there are some times when oil, depending on what happens over the weekend, oil can like literally spike so high. But because of the fears of this virus in China, it's actually sending a lot of things low, because China is one of the main like industrial economy. I'm not saying this in like literal technical terms, I'm just like the bro knowledge as I go along. So they do require a lot of oil. This whole virus that's going around in China, obviously the workforce is kind of like, you know, not at optimum performance. It's sad that's happening. I really do hope like things get better and it doesn't spread across the world, because obviously it can be catastrophic for everyone if this virus gets out of control. So knock wood, pray for the best for everyone that's, you know, that's had someone infected or whatever it is. But yeah, that's one of the main driving force of the market right now. Natural disasters do move the market as well. Like this world is finance based, surprisingly, so everything affects price. And as I said, that's what's driving the prices down on stocks and driving the prices up on gold, because gold is like one of them safe haven assets. So when things are not going good in the economy, people tend to hold and buy gold. So yeah, the price of gold is going to go up. So you might be thinking, why don't you just trade gold? God's sake, man, why do I keep clicking on the wrong thing? So over here I've got 3 things I'm currently watching. I'm on US 30. As I said, the stock market, the US 30, this is the top 30 companies in the United States. Yeah, it's not looking good, because obviously, as I said, with the whole fear of the virus and whatnot, the stocks can completely fall. And with gold as well, it's I would say it could go up to the 1,800 level. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm just holding out at the moment. I'm not gonna make any irrational decisions. I'm just sticking to just holding my gun cocked, waiting for that right opportunity to shoot my shot. Yeah, because I don't want to be shooting and hitting blanks here. I want to like make them count. So yeah, not the most in-depth analysis, but as I said, this video is mainly just to share that message at the start of the video. But yeah, still an ongoing process of this whole journey. All that being said, I am looking forward to any opportunity that presents itself, and I will also see you guys when the next opportunity presents itself. So bye bye.